In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a brand board in Gohighlevel. We'll walk through the process from the main dashboard all the way to building out the core elements of your brand board so you can keep your branding organized and consistent in one place. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where you want to create the brand board. Once you're in the platform, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where your main navigation menu lives, and it gives you access to the different tools inside your workspace. From that left side menu, click on Marketing. This will take you into the Marketing section, where Gohighlevel keeps assets and tools related to design and promotion. After the page loads, look for the option that says Add Design Kit, and click on it. This is the starting point for creating your brand board. Next, you'll begin creating your brand board. At this stage, Gohighlevel will prompt you to choose the overall structure for how your brand elements will be displayed. Select a layout that fits the way you want your branding to appear. Different layouts can help present your materials more clearly, so choose the one that feels most useful for your team or your clients. Once you've selected the layout you want, click Choose to move forward into the builder. Now you can start adding your actual brand assets. First, add your logos. This is where you'll upload the visual identity files you want associated with the brand. If you have multiple logo variations, such as a full logo, icon-only version, or light and dark versions, this is the place to include them so everything stays centralized and easy to access. After that, add your brand colors. This is an important step because your color palette helps maintain consistency across websites, emails, graphics, and other marketing materials. Make sure the colors you enter match your official brand palette so anyone using the board can reference the correct shades without guessing. Then add your typography. This section is where you define the fonts and text styles that represent your brand. Including your typography helps keep headings, body text, and other written content visually aligned with your brand identity. Once your logos, colors, and typography are in place, your brand board will serve as a clean visual guide for your business branding inside Gohighlevel. It's a simple setup, but it can make a big difference in keeping your marketing assets professional and consistent.